A lot of people believe blogging is dead. Well, there's some truth in there with the rise of video content, but blogging is certainly not dead, and you can make a lot of money from it. In this video, we're going to look at how to start a blog and consequently make it another income stream. Let's get right into it. I've broken this video into 5 main parts. That's finding a niche, choosing a domain name, choosing a blogging platform, setting up the blog, and writing content. Choosing a specific niche will help you build your blog around similar topics. This will eventually make you a thought leader in that specific space, and people will be able to trust the content that you share. Brands and businesses in that specific industry will also find it easy to work with you. I recommend you choose a niche that you are already knowledgeable in, so it becomes much easier for you to create content regularly. If you love reading, you can blog about books, specific reading apps or tablets. This is something that you are very familiar with, and then you can easily write content about them. Next, we're looking at choosing a domain name. A domain name is essentially the address of your website. For example, safoincancer.com is the address of my website. To be able to have this address, you need to come up with some ideas and then check if it's available. Then you move on to register and have that as the name or address you're going to use for your website. The tool I use to check for the domain name availability is Name Checker. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. What it mainly does is it gives you, the availability of the actual domain name that you're looking to register, and then also it gives you an overview of its availability on social media. What that means is if you register this domain name, you can easily go ahead and then also secure these handles on social media, for example, Instagram, TikTok, and other platforms as well. Now you have to choose a domain name that's related to the niche you are trying to specialize in. I have this blog that is mainly focused on home recording gears and then independent artist guides. The name of the blog is justamike.com, right? So just from the name, you'll be able to tell what this blog is mainly about. There are a lot of blogging platforms, including Medium, Ghost, Blogspot, WordPress. These are all amazing platforms, right? But I personally love to use WordPress because it gives me the freedom to, create anything I can, possibly imagine for my blog. I'll be able to add, ton of features moving forward. I want to scale the blog to another level. I can do all that with the freedom that comes with WordPress. Now, away from all that, to be able to set up your blog, you would need a web hosting plan. You can find amazing WordPress hosting from plugnom.com, plugnom.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description. However, you can also check out GoDaddy, SiteGround, Namecheap. They all got like amazing web hosting plans that you can use to start your blog. Although I do recommend you use Plugnom. Now, after purchasing your web hosting plan, the next thing is to log in and then install WordPress. This is the good part. This is what I love. Okay, so now you just go in there, and after just a few clicks, you'll be able to install WordPress. Now, if you chose Plugnom and you are not familiar with cPanel and you're not really familiar with installing WordPress and stuff like that, you can always hit up the support team and they're going to set up the entire WordPress for you. Now, after setting up WordPress, you're just going to have this web page. It's sort of empty. There's no plugins in there, and then the themes are sort of basic, so there's not something that you want to go ahead to build your blog on. So again, in the description of this video, there are links in there that's going to take you to some of my favorite free and then premium WordPress blogging themes, and these are amazing themes. You can choose from the free option if you don't want to spend money, and then you can also choose any of the paid options if you just want to spend a little bit more to have that look that you're looking for. You just choose a theme that you are comfortable with, and then you just install it. It's pretty much easier. You just go to add themes and then you install the theme. After installing your theme, you have to just customize the theme to the look and feel that you're looking for. So you just, in terms of color, if you have a logo, you put in there. If you don't have a logo, you just want to have your name in there, that's cool. I do recommend getting a logo though, but if you don't, you can just put something in there, just just a cat face or something. Now, after customizing your blog to the look and feel you are after, you now have to do the main part, that is writing content. You just have to start writing and publishing content right away, because as your blog is new, the only way you can get people to come to your website is by having that content available for them to come and read. You have to write concise and highly informative articles that address specific problems, so when people are looking for that, they'll be able to find your blog post as a solution to whatever problem they currently have. In that direction, you can just start building your blog and writing amazing articles that's going to eventually bring traffic to your blog. Now, as you just started your blog, the key focus would be on content. So I just recommend that you keep posting content. But in another video, we're gonna look at how to monetize your blog. If you did enjoy this video, kindly subscribe to this channel for more, and then do give the video a thumbs up. I'll certainly see you in another video.